First up, Rob, how has dividend investing stood up to the test of the past 12 months?
Well, it's definitely been a test, and it's done the job, and I guess it's true colors of Sean, like dividend income strategies. One benchmark we look at is the S&P 500 Aristocrat Index, which is full of dividend payers and growers, and that was down 6% last year on a total return basis. That being said, the S&P 500 was down 18% approximately, so it's 12% outperformance. And in fact, Middlefield's flagship dividend fund, our Income Plus class, which I run, was flat on the year. So I outperformed the S&P 500 with that fund by 18% because of a lot of things that we may talk about today, is just dividend income, lower volatility, and some of those attributes.